Hello, I'm Master123. Today I will be showing you this really cool trick and tutorial. And at the end of the video, I will be announcing the winner to the bicycle ice deck. Let's get started. If you're a magician and you want to learn awesome card tricks, start now by subscribing. Alright, so I'm going to start off by shuffling the deck. Okay. So I'm going to lay out 3 piles. And I want you to tell me when to stop anywhere. Say stop right there. Alright, so we have a joker, 6 of diamonds, and the 2 of clubs. Alright, so we're going to try to look for a match. So let's try this again. Tell me when to stop anywhere. Say stop right there. A 10. Well, we didn't find a match. Alright. So, I'm going to take the card face to face with the joker. Put it right here. Put the rest of the pack on top right here. Card face to face with the 6. Take the rest of the pack. Put it right here. Card face to face with the 2. Take the rest of the pack, put it right here. And finally the card face to face with the 10. Take the rest of the pack, put it there. Alright, so what we have now is cards face to face with our freely chosen cards. Alright, so the card face to face with the joker is a king. It's the king of diamonds. Card face to face with the 6 is the king of clubs. The card face to face with the 2 is the king of hearts. And for 3 of a kind. And card face to face with the 10 is for 4 of a kind, the 10 of the king of spades. So you made a perfect 4 of a kind match, but you know what's better than that? A match in kings and queens. The match queen of spades, the king of spades, the queen of clubs with the king of clubs, the queen of hearts with the king of hearts, and the queen of spades with the king of spades. Alright, this is a really great trick. Gets really great reactions, but it does require a setup. So what you're going to do, you're going to take all the kings and all the queens out, and you're going to put them in chased order, which is clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. And then you're going to take the king of clubs, king of hearts, and king of spades, and queen of hearts, queen of spades. Now, queen of hearts, queen of spades, and queen of clubs. In chased order, you're going to put the kings on top of the queens. Place them on top of the deck. And you're going to take the queen of diamonds, put it below the king of diamonds, and put it on the bottom of the deck. You can do some shuffles as long as you maintain the queen, the king and queen, as long as you maintain the 2 and the 6 on top. Which I didn't. Alright, so now you should still have this order. And what you want to do, you want to just lay out the cards, and don't say anything at first. Once you go through a few cards, just tell me when to stop anywhere. They say stop right here. And flip over the cards where they told you to stop at. And most likely it's not going to be a match. But if it is a match, so say if there's 2 2s, say we're going to look for a 3 of a kind. Or say if it's a 3 of a kind, say we're going to look for a 4 of a kind. Something like that. So And then what you want to do, you want to collect the cards from left, right order. And cards are still face up. And then what you want to do now, say, all right, we're going to look for a match. And then just deal the cards out one by one. But you don't want to go past to where the first face up card is. So go slow. And say stop right there. Turn over and say, alright, we did pretty good. And then now go to the first face up card, get the card face to face with it, put this pack, the upper pack, below it. Go to the next, do the same thing, the next one, put the pack below it, and lastly, alright, so you don't need the rest of the deck, so you can just discard that. Alright, now just like you can recap a little bit. Alright, so we had a two of a kind, but we didn't like do that good. So now build up and say, if we flip over these cards, we have a king of diamonds, king of clubs to make a two of a kind, king of hearts to make a three of a kind, and lastly, king of spades to make a four of a kind. And then say, alright, that's pretty cool, but you know what's better? They're soulmates. And then flip the whole pack over. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now let's get to the deck giveaway. And the winner of the Bicycle Ice deck is Damien161. Please send me a private message on YouTube claiming your prize. And everyone else, there will be another chance for a deck giveaway. Either at 85 subscribers or 100 subscribers. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell so you won't miss anything. Thank you for watching.